Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Visitor Counter widget to your WordPress website. A visitor counter widget can help you display traffic data in a simple and visual way, which can build trust and make your website feel more active and credible. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WordPress website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Now search for Visitor Counter in the widget library and open it. After that, choose a layout according to your preference, and the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can choose the data source. You can enter the data manually, sync it using the Popper script on your website, or connect Google Analytics to view visitor data. Under Display Settings, you can change label text. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the template. In the Appearance tab, you can change the colors, including the background, primary accent, and text color. Under Shape, you can adjust the border radius. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the installation code and go to your WordPress site editor. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.